Hello. Today we're gonna demonstrate my code for machine language MP1 Mod 2 ICSC 103. I use uh, data types int for the variables jm num1, jm num2, jm num3, jm num4, and jm num5. I use double for this for other variables jm sum, jm diff, jm prod, jm co, jm sum, jm fact, and jm average. And to display an output of and to print enter a number, I use this code to display. Same for this system out print 2, system out print enter number 3, system out print enter number 4, and system out print enter number 5. And this is the solution for every problems that you use. To compute for the summary, jm sum equals jm num1 plus jm num3 plus jm num5. To compute for the difference, jm diff equals jm num5 plus jm num3 ay jm num5 minus jm num3 minus jm num1. To compute the product, jm product equals jm prod equals jm num1 times jm num2 times jm num3. To compute for the quotient, jm co equals jm num5 divided by jm num4 divided by jm num3. To compute for the jm summation, jm sum equals jm num1 plus jm num2 plus jm num3 plus jm num4 and add jm num5. To compute the factorial, jm factorial equals jm num1 times jm num2 times jm num3 times jm num4 and jm num5. To compute for the average, jm average equals jm num1 plus jm num2 plus jm num3 plus jm num4 plus jm num5, then divide by 5. To print the output, just type the code system.out.print ln, then open parenthesis, double quote, the sum is another quote plus jm sum, then so on and so forth for the difference, the product, the quotient, the summation, the factorial, and the average. Now I'm gonna run the system. The system will ask for numbers. Enter num1, enter num2, enter num3, enter num4, and enter num5. Then the sum is 9, the difference is 1, the product is 6, the quotient is 0.0, the summation is 15.0, the factorial is 120.0, the average is 3.0. That's the initial output for the code and the machine problem. And this is the code for the machine problem 2 module 2. The data types I use is int for the integer and double for the decimal and the shit. And this is my code for the machine problem 2 module 2. We use this import java.util.scanner, and then I use integer for variables jmWork, jmHot, jmLate, and jmRate. Double for the variable ay double data types for the variables jmgross, jmSSS, jmpag-ibig, jmPhilHealth, jmNetPay, jmSSS, and the constant variable is jmSSS1 equals 0.10, jmpag-ibig 1 equals 0.11, and jmPhilHealth1 equals 0.12. Then we initialize the scanner input equals new scanner system.in. Then we use this system.out.print to print the output, enter number of hours work, and we use jmwork equals int input dot next int, because this is the variable we use to store the what is this? We use the jmwork equals int input dot next int to hold the value system out again, then print enter number of hours plus and enter number of hours over time, and the jm hot equals int input next int and this is the formula to compute the gross. Jm gross equals parenthesis jm work plus jm mod. Then it will go to the, and then the answer in this formula is to minus jm late, then times it with the jm rate. Jm SSS equals jm gross times jm SSS1. Jm pag-ibig equals jm gross times jm pag-ibig 1. Jm PhilHealth equals jm gross times jm PhilHealth 1. Jm NetPay equals jm gross minus the answer of jm SSS plus jm pag-ibig plus jm PhilHealth. Then we type this code to print the output. The gross pay is, then the variable jm gross, the value of the jm gross will display same as here, same as the system.out.print ln to move to the next line. Total pag-ibig is, then the value of the variable jm pag-ibig, system.out.print the total PhilHealth is, then the value of jm PhilHealth, and system.out.print ln the net pay is, then the value of jm net pay will print. And that's my code, and I'm gonna run it now. The system will ask to enter the numbers of hours work. Example 20 hours, then number of hours overtime 5, number of hours late 2. Rate per hour is 90. The gross pay is 2,070. The total SSS is 207. The total pag-ibig is 227.7. The total PhilHealth is 248.39. The net pay is 1,386.9. And that is the output for my machine problem 2 module 2. Thanks for watching my video.